Hello and welcome back to our series of videos on Windows 11. So something that you might have noticed in Windows 11 is the exclusion of the Task Manager whenever you right click on the taskbar. So if you notice down here, we can right click on the taskbar and there's no option for a Task Manager. So as an example, in the previous Windows, so Windows 10, you just click right here and you can see that there is a Task Manager option. Well, that option is not available inside of Windows 11. So how do you get to the Task Manager? First, you need to search for it. So click the little search icon down here at the bottom, the magnifying glass, and type in Task Manager. And as you can see, the Task Manager is still available, it's just hidden away. So that is how you get to the Task Manager inside of Windows 11. Thank you all very much. I hope that this has helped you. If it has, go ahead, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.